So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are getting confused through this new change which you are seeing over here, that they recently update the names for the arcade games. Here earlier, if you see the existing games which recently expired, here you can see they have named it certification zone level games, V games. Now they have updated it and given a name over there. Like earlier in the point system, it was level 1, level 2 and level 3. And for the trivia games, they have updated it to sprint. In simple words, let me just help you to understand the criteria that nothing has changed in this arcade program. Most people are saying that there is some major update in the arcade program. There is not a single major update, only they changed the name. From level 1, they changed it to Arcade Adventure. From level 2, it changed to Arcade Voyage. And similarly, they changed it to level 3 to Arcade Trail. Okay. And for week 4, week 1 to 4 trivia games, they made it Arcade Sprint. Okay. The point system you can already see in the previous video, also I have updated that for each level game, we used to get one arcade point. Let me just show you a sample demo also. So this was the video which I posted yesterday. You can clearly look the major difference. There is no major difference actually. You can see level 1 to level 3 at trivia and skill badges. They have changed the level names and just changed trivia to sprint. All the criteria, like we used to get one arcade point, that is completely same. Okay. So they have just redesigned the badge name. They just have renamed the badge, but the points criteria, strategy of completing the laps remains same. Okay. One more important thing, most people are having doubt that in previous cohort also they used to change the name. For example, earlier the price tier was standard, premium, premium plus, legend. Okay. Now what they did, they added it arcade novice, trooper, ranger, legend and champion. Similarly, they just rename the name. Okay, do not worry about it. This is a very simple thing. I just wanted to make you aware because most of you are getting confused with the name. Will the point system change or will anything change? If you have completed the lab also, you can see only the names have changed, not a single thing inside the lab has changed. Like the number of labs are same. It may increase or decrease, but the pattern is 100% same. Only they have changed the name. Okay, I hope you understood the main theme of the video.